guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to knit a jogless stripe. So as you can see, there's this harsh line here between my red yarn and my white yarn. That's called a jog, and this happens when you are knitting in the round and changing colors. If you don't use any special kind of technique, you're going to end up having these jogs or these harsh lines where you can actually see the color change happen. So it looks like I'm knitting in white and all of a sudden, boom, there's my red yarn. It looks a little bit untidy. So I'm going to be showing you how to get these seamless, beautiful stripes. No jog. It's just gorgeous. And it's a super easy technique and it can make your items look polished and finished. So I'm going to show you how to add in the new color as well. So I've knit 4 rounds with my white yarn, and now I'm going to cut my white yarn and add in my new color. And of course you can use any color and you can make your stripes as thick as you'd like. So I'm going to go into the first stitch as if to knit, drape my new yarn over my right hand needle, and pull it up through that loop, like so. And then what I like to do is just tie a little knot in the back to secure my join. And now we are ready to go. So you're going to want to knit the first round in your new color. So you want to knit all the way around back to your stitch marker. And once you make it back around, I will show you how to create that jogless join. Okay, so I made it to the end of the round. Here we have our first red stitch, and right below is this white stitch. And what we are going to do is we are going to lift up the right leg of the stitch below and place it onto our left hand needle. And then we are simply going to knit both the red and white stitches together. And that's it. You're going to continue now knitting in the round, knitting with your new color. And just by utilizing this little technique, you are going to have beautiful, seamless, jogless stripes. So when you are knitting in the round, you are essentially knitting in a spiral. And as you knit, those stitches will stack one round on top of the other. So if you don't utilize any special techniques, you are going to end up with these jogs, these harsh lines, but a simple trick like this one is going to give you these beautiful, flawless stripes. So stick around because I'm going to be using this technique in my next video. Hope to see you guys soon.